example, I want to buy oranges. I can buy in terms of number. I require 2 oranges. In terms of mass, I can buy 500 grams of oranges. And in terms of volume, 1 box of oranges. So similarly, in chemistry, in standard units, standard SI units, it is mole in terms of mass, then it comes out gram atomic mass. For example, if it is sodium, its atomic mass is 23. But if I write 23 U atomic mass units, then it comes mass of atom. But if I write 23 grams, it becomes gram atomic mass. Similarly, if it is molecule, then it comes out gram molecular mass. It is one and the same thing. For molecules, we will find mole in terms of GMM, and in case of elements, we will find GAM. Water will, 18 grams of water will constitute 1 mole. So, they all together are known as molar mass. They together are known as molar mass. And at STP, it is 22.4 liters. What are standard temperature, pressure? Pressure 1 bar, temperature 25 degrees Celsius or 298 kelvins. And in terms of number, this is most important, it is Avogadro's number. It is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Again, if it is atoms, it consists of 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. If molecules, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. In case of ion, again, it will be 6.03 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Now, we will explain with the help of example. Let us consider it is water. We know its molecular mass is 18. How it is found? Hydrogen atomic mass of hydrogen and atomic mass of oxygen altogether they are added. It is 2 plus 16, 18 grams. Therefore, 18 gram will constitute 1 mole. And 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 will constitute 1 mole. 22.4 liter at STP, if it is in vapor phase, then it will again is 1 mole. Take another example. Say it is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is SO2. Molar mass will, mass of sulfur plus mass of 2 atoms of oxygen, it comes out 64. If it is sulfur dioxide, 1 mole will be, in terms of GMM, 64 grams. In terms of molecules, 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. And in terms of atoms, it will be 2 plus 1 because its atomicity is 3. What is atomicity? It is number of atoms present in a molecule. So, number of atoms, when we are to find in a molecule, then we are to multiply with atomicity. Now, these are 4 terms, but these are again amount. They are one and the same thing because we have standardized it. Because A is equal to B, A is equal to C, hence B is equal to C, hence C is equal to D and vice versa. Now, when we want to calculate in terms of numericals, there are 4 relationships. Mass relationship, mass-volume relationship, volume-volume relationship, mass-mole relationship. Means they are asking for molecules, but they are giving mass. For example, question is, what will be number of molecules in 180 grams of water? So question, 180 grams of water, 18 grams consists of molecules 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 and 1 will 18 and 180 will 180. Dear students, we can formulate it, but always unitary method is preferred. In unitary method, the substance which is to be found is taken to right side and the given equation which is universal truth is written first because 18 gram consists of 6. This is mole. What we have formed a concept that this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole. 18 gram consists of molecules 6.02. In terms of volume, 18 grams of water consists of this much particles, but in terms of volume it will be 22.4 liter. 1 will divided by 18 and 180 will again into 180. This is in terms of volume, in terms of number. In terms of mass, say how many moles are there in 180 grams of water? 18 gram consists of 1 mole, 180 will 10 moles. The above concept of mole in terms of mass, volume and number can be explained with the help of following examples. For example, our first example is find number of molecules in 73 grams of HCl, hydrochloric acid. When we find its molecular mass, it comes out 36.5, but we will write 36.5. Why? Because we are write to in terms of gram molecular mass. We will find 36.5 grams of HCl has molecule 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. 1 will have divided by 36.75 and 73 will into 73. Right? 12.02. But when we write in terms of exponents, decimals are written after 1 digit. Another example is weight in 0.5 moles of relationship concept, mole mass relationship. That is given our number of moles, but we are to find weight. 1 mole of substance has mass. We are not to write 16 grams because it is given O2 and we are to take gram molecular mass. It comes out 16 2s are 32. 1 mole consists of 32 grams and 0.5 mole will consist of 16 grams. This is given as mole. So we are writing on the left side. We are to find mass. So we are to write on the right side. Number of moles in 10 grams. Now vice versa relationship. Given is mass, we are to find number of moles. So we are to take moles on the right hand side. Calcium carbonate, when we find its molecular mass, it comes up 100. There are certain molecular masses we are to remember by heart. For example, calcium carbonate 100, sulfuric acid 98, then nitric acid 63, C6H12O6 180, C12H22O11, sucrose 342 and so on. Time to time, I'll make you remember because it will be easy to do numericals within seconds. 100 grams has mole. 1 will have divided by 100 and 10 will have into 10. See students, these are two opposite numericals. In this numerical, moles are given, mass is to be found. In this, mass is given, number of moles we are to find. Next is hydrogen atom in sulfuric acid. Now, sulfuric acid consists of molecules, but it has 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of, so its atomicity is this. So, 1 mole will have hydrogen atoms 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 into atomicity of that element which we are to find. For example, in this case, we are to find number of atoms of hydrogen, so we are to multiply it with 2. If we were to find number of atoms of oxygen, then we had to multiply with 4. Carbon dioxide molecule in 88. Given is mass, we are to find. Given is mass, we are to find molecules. A is equal to B, B is equal to D. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. 12 plus 32, it comes out 44. 44 grams of carbon dioxide has molecule 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. 1 will have divided by 44 and 88 will have into 88. So dear students, this is basic concept which is very easy to remember. 1 mole is amount of substance, which means all the 4. Gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, 22.4 liters and Avogadro number. But numericals are very vast. Differences lie in the following concepts. For example, when volume is not given, density is given, then there is one relationship, density is equal to mass by volume. Similarly, if the volume is given at particular conditions, for example, in statement it is given that it is 273 degrees Celsius and 740 atmospheric pressure. First of all, we will have to apply gas equation, P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2, so that we can convert it into standard temperature pressure. Because mole is not applicable at all conditions. Mole term is applicable at standard conditions when volume is taken. Otherwise, when no volume consideration, only in terms of number, then we are not to find it. Only in case of volume, we are to first convert it into standard temperature and pressure. Some students have confusion of gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. There are certain gases and elements which are never found in their single state. That is, oxygen is never found O, it is found in O2. So, either they ask in term of molecule or it will always be O2 because oxygen exists in form of molecules only. Whereas when we find for sodium, we can find 23 grams, whereas in case of oxygen, we are to multiply by 2 because its atomicity is 2. This is not all about mole. We will continue in next series. But if you like this, please comment. And if any question, then you can also ask in comments. And if you like, then press like button, subscribe, press bell icon so that you can get notification whenever new videos are uploaded.